record this with sound, but it's just a recording for you and I. So, we are sitting here at 308 Mcgraw. I'm making this recording from the 4-inch clean out near the sidewalk here. I'm gonna pull back. We're down in the liner, but the shared line with 312 Mcgraw, and I believe it's 2540 Knob Hill.
I want to say you're right, but I can't remember for sure. So
anyway, it's the house, the house 2 doors down. It's the knob right at the end of Knob Hill. We did a sewer liner in that house, or at that home, for that home's sewer line, and that sewer line had blocked off this sewer line. So we were going to pull back into the section that was recently repaired. So there's the liner.
okay.
Here is where it was blocked off. So we have now replaced this section where it was blocked. It's coming in like this. We had blocked you off, so we cut out this Y section. It's all replaced now. So we're going to come out of that shared section of line, and now we're back into your personal line. So we are in the personal line of 308 Mcgraw now. This is all newly repaired PVC. There's a little bit of a smudge on the can. Oh, there we go. Newly repaired PVC there as part of this ongoing project we've been doing. This, now we're back into the concrete pipe. So concrete sewer line, some 12 feet back from that shared line. Got some roots coming in. A pretty good sized root there. And then we're back, so there's a stretch of maybe 7-8 feet of old concrete pipe. Then we're back into the other section from the first day, when we dug that first day. So this is the first day of digging. Section we repaired here. Then back into another stretch of old concrete original pipe again. And then back into PVC again. So this is part of the PVC that was installed whenever they did this pump line. So way back
20 years ago.
Yeah, way back when. So there's a good 15 feet more or so of old concrete
so two
pipe.
sections.
2 sections, probably 7, 8 feet each.
Okay. One of them clearly has roots.
Yes. I mean, it obviously makes sense to do this now while we're out here and doing this. So, but we'll just record the rest of this coming back so we've seen it, because we hadn't seen this entire thing to this point yet. And there's a video recording of Tori's line that shows her whole line section, so I can give you that video too, just so you can see the entire length of this monstrosity of a sewer line.
Oh, good God, it's so long.
Well, that's what I mean. The maps don't indicate you. The maps indicate you guys had your own tie-in to the main. So everything I was looking at on Tori's side, and her map had made no sense compared with what actually is going on. Yeah. And so everything I had looked at indicated that you were on your own thing. That we weren't. When we did her project, we weren't going to be infecting you guys at all. And as far away from you guys as there was, it's like it doesn't make any logical sense for you guys to be shared with each other. But so unfortunate, but I'm just glad that you called us out to do the work.
Yeah.
And